Madam Vice Principal, may I present to you the candidates who have successfully fulfilled the academic requirements of literacy and numeracy as mandated by the SEED Preschool and acceptable to the SEED Grade School.
Thank you, Teacher Gail. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, CASA. Before we grant the certificate and confirm the students moving on to grade school, I would like to take this time to congratulate and thank you, our dear parents, and recognize the vital role that you play in your child's education. Thank you for your superb parenting and collaborative partnership with the school. We would also like to show our appreciation to our dear teachers for the excellent preparation of our kindergarten students for the next stage in their education journey, the grade school years. By the authority vested in me by the Department of Education as Vice Principal, I hereby grant these candidates their preschool certificates and confirm their moving on to grade school. Together with our school directors and principal, Teacher Mavis Morales, we congratulate you, preschool completers. Let's give them a big round of applause.